The Samsung 65-inch class OLED S90F 4K Smart has been blowing up in my feed, so I grabbed one. Worth the hype? Let's see. Now, if you're an avid gamer or sports fan like me, you've probably seen the LG C2 XN series come up a lot lately. It's a great TV too, don't get me wrong, but when it comes to my specific needs, I'm all about that 4K gaming and streaming experience. This Samsung S90F takes the cake. Here are 3 features that really made me sit up and take notice, or rather, watch in awe. First off, let's talk about the AI processor. This thing is a beast. It's powered by 128 neural networks to deliver AI-enhanced picture and optimized sound. In real life, this means I can stream my favorite shows and movies in 4K with absolute zero lag or buffering issues. Now, I know what you're thinking, is it really that easy? And let me tell you, yes it is. It's like having your own personal graphics card for every single thing you watch on the TV. My eyes are still adjusting to how smooth and seamless everything looks. That's not even mentioning the built-in Alexa support. Voice control has never been this intuitive. But here's where things get really interesting. Let's dive into what I'd say is the real game changer for me: smart motion enhancement technology. With VRR gaming at up to 4K 144Hz, you can expect nothing short of silky smooth visuals on fast-paced games like League of Legends or Overwatch. For live sports, it brings a whole new level of clarity and reduced blur. I mean, who wants to miss the ball when you're watching your favorite team play? Not me. I have to say, though, that the real-life application of this feature is what really sold me on the S90F. My friends and I were over at my place for a gaming session, and we noticed how much more immersive our experience became with 4K motion. It's like you're right there in the stadium. Of course, let's talk about the price point. $2,500 is definitely not cheap. But as always, I like to ask myself, does it justify the cost? The answer is a resounding yes. Sure, the spec sheet says X, but real life feels like Y. And honestly, that $1,000 difference between my last TV and this one has been totally worth it. So, is this Samsung 65-inch class OLED S90F 4K Smart TV the right choice for you? If you're in the market for a top-notch smart TV with an incredible gaming experience, and who isn't, am I right? Then absolutely buy it. But if budget is no concern for you, then maybe wait for sale or consider other options. That's all for today, folks. Subscribe if you want someone to do the research so you don't have to, then the Amazon link is right below. Until next time, happy shopping!